Okay. Welcome back to the YouTube life. How is everybody? Let's see where I'm at. As you can see, I've done a little body work. Started to explore what's going on. Scratch down this panel. It's not really dented, really that much damage, so I just wanted to see what was there. And this is definitely just a replacement fender too. That's the other thing I determined. This fender has been replaced, and sorry, distracted. Working on this hood here too. This was all dented in. Luckily, my front here is in good shape. This line is in good shape. It was just dented here, and up here was kind of pushed down. Also had this crease back here, which I've taken out pretty easily, actually, just hammering dolly. Now it's a little high though, so to explore repairing that. This side, I've had a little cracking up here, so I won't hit it with the grinders to see what's going on. Original red paint. So this is original fender. Hood also missing some red paint, so it must have been replaced. What else? This side, the roof needs to be repainted. Like it was all dry and cracked. You can see right here. So I've been just grinding away. I've already got surface rust overnight, which is fine. I don't care. I remind a little patina. This side, we had a good crease. You can see when I pulled all this out, this was all pushed in. I put a football up underneath there and inflated it. Pop that out. Alright, so can you see this? Where is it? This dent. There it is. But that is got a bulge to it there, or concave. And I've got the old school technique here. I've got a football up here in the air compressor. Let's see if we can pop this dent out. Yeah, leave it running. See what happens. Working. Have to go reposition, go a little higher. Oh yeah, get it way up there. And then I wanted to see what was going on. And definitely, I knew there was some Bondo along here. I'm trying to see what they did. It looks like it's just this lower section. Yep, that's what it is, Bondo. So I think that's going to be easy to clean up. And what else can I tell you? Was there anything on this side I did? I'm still working on my gas cap project, or the fuel filler. This door and cab corner are gonna need attention. Cab corner, door, cracking Bondo, and front of the door. And this door does not fit very good at all. This gap up here. So this door needs to be pushed in. And this is a red door, so I think what happened with this truck is I think it was hit in this right front. That headlight bezel was plastic. Now we got a different fender. When I did this lens, it was screwed up, so I think this side was hit. I've also had this alignment done. In the meantime, so I did all my suspension components. And when he was doing the alignment, he mentioned frame looks good. Obviously, he even agreed, but something was tweaked a little bit this side of the truck. So what makes me think that is an aftermarket fender is these notches. I think it's aftermarket fender. I'll have that. My factory fender has the proper ones for the rubber mounts. So maybe that's either aftermarket or different year. Core support looks original. Didn't see anything with that when I had the grill out. Bumper's got a little tweakage that could be related. Who knows? But yeah, and this other thing you probably just saw in my hand is I got the air conditioning lines today. Cut and crimped. I got to get a accumulator. Need to replace that as well. So I got the compressor already in the garage. So it's gonna be compressor, new lines, accumulator. I should be good to go. So let's put my dash back together. Still working on that stuff. What else? I did the copper oil line under here. I had the plastic, and it continued to leak right at the junction I made. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go to copper. And what else? Yeah, interior's still apart. I guess I gotta open it for you. There's nothing to see in there though. But anyway, that's it for now. Heat wave coming. Don't think I'll be working on this sucker for a few days. All right. Take care, everybody.